Florida remains the largest cruise hub in the world, with major ships sailing year-round from Miami, Port Canaveral, Tampa, and Fort Lauderdale. If you're looking for cheap Caribbean cruises in spring and early summer 2026, this season offers incredible deals, especially on 3 to 5 night Bahamas cruises starting around $250 per person. Here are 15 of the best cruise deals departing Florida between April and June 2026, including budget options, luxury experiences, family cruises, and quick weekend getaways. Cheap cruises options. MSC Seaside, 3-night Bahamas cruise, Miami. Example sailing date, April 24, 2026 from $294 per person. Cheap cruises options. MSC Seaside, 4-night Bahamas cruise, Miami. Slightly longer sailing example sailing date, April 20, 2026 from $268 per person.
Cheap cruises options Carnival Conquest, 4-night Bahamas cruise, Miami, April 13, 2026 from $273. Best weekend cruises options Carnival Conquest, Royal Caribbean, Wonder of the Seas. Best weekend cruises options Carnival Conquest, Royal Caribbean, Utopia of the Seas. Best family cruises options Carnival Vista, 6-night Eastern Caribbean, Port Canaveral. Best family cruises options Disney Wish, Bahamas Cruise, Port Canaveral.
Best adults-focused cruise, Virgin Voyages, Caribbean Cruise, Miami. Best short Caribbean cruise Carnival Glory, 4-night Bahamas, Port Canaveral, from about $284 per person. Best short Caribbean cruise Carnival Sunrise, 5-night Bahamas, Miami, from about $329 per person. Best cruises from Tampa Grandeur of the Seas, 5-night Western Caribbean, Tampa.
Best cruises from Tampa Rhapsody of the Seas, 7-night Western Caribbean, Tampa.
Most popular Caribbean cruises Norwegian Getaway, Bahamas Cruise, Miami. Most popular Caribbean cruises Celebrity Beyond, 7-night Eastern Caribbean.
Most popular Caribbean cruises Symphony of the Seas, Caribbean Cruise, Miami.
Our best tips for cruise deals follow at Jackie Fleetwood Travels and book early. Prices often rise as ships fill. Look at 3 to 4 night Bahamas cruises for the lowest fares. April to May sailings are often cheaper than summer. Watch for wave season promotions that include free drinks, onboard credit, or kids sail free.